Hey everyone, if you have just installed Windows 10 or 11, you might be wondering how to get all the essential drivers installed quickly and easily. I've got it covered. Or you might be wondering how to update all the drivers in just one click. Okay, let's begin. Having the right drivers installed ensures that all your hardware works properly, from your graphics card to your network adapter, and it helps your system run smoothly. One of the essentials way to install all necessary drivers is using any of the tools available on the internet. This is not a paid promotion, as I use it, so I'm just showing you with the driver booster. First, download and install driver booster from its official website. Once it's installed, just launch it and hit the scan button. It will detect all the missing or outdated drivers for your system. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of all the drivers that are needed. Simply click Update All and Driver Booster will download and install them for you automatically. Driver Booster also creates a backup before installs any drivers, so you can roll back if needed. Plus, it ensures that all your hardware is compatible and running optimally. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you'll have all the essential drivers installed and your system will be good to go. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.